Okay, so we now will see how to convert a flip-flop into other type. See, for an example, I have taken convert JK flip-flop to T. These questions can also be asked in the exam. They'll ask you to convert, we have four flip-flops now, SR, JK, T and D. They'll ask you to convert SR to JK, SR to T, SR to D. Or convert JK to SR, JK to T, JK to D. Or convert T flip-flop to SR, T to JK, T to D. Or convert D to SR, D to JK, D to T. So like this, they can give any flip-flop and they can ask you to convert one flip-flop into another. Again, steps are same. If you understand one conversion, no, the remaining conversion you yourself can do it. So I'll explain how, just to explain the concept I've taken, how we can convert a JK flip-flop into T flip-flop. That means we have a JK flip-flop. We have a JK flip-flop, Q bar. Okay. So this is JK flip-flop. Of course, I will give a clock pulse for JK. So now my intention is to convert this JK flip-flop into T flip-flop. I have a JK flip-flop. I should make this JK flip-flop to work as T flip-flop. How can I do that? So to convert one flip-flop into another, okay. So you have the JK flip-flop here. I have to convert this JK flip-flop into T flip-flop. For that again we have to construct a table. For that, again that table we can call it as excitation table. That to write the excitation table, when we are converting JK flip-flop into T flip-flop, you have to keep the function table of T flip-flop ready. You are converting JK flip-flop into T, right? So you keep the excitation table of JK flip-flop ready and you keep the function table of T flip-flop. If you are converting SR flip-flop to D, keep excitation table of SR flip-flop, D flip-flop function table. If you are converting D flip-flop to T, keep this T flip-flop function table and SR flip-flop excitation table. So when we are converting one flip-flop F1 to F2, F1 excitation table, F2 function table ready. Okay. So now since I am converting JK flip-flop to T, I have the excitation table of JK flip-flop, function table of T flip-flop, excitation table of F1, function table of F2 ready. Now let me construct the excitation table. Excitation table you always have to start from F2. This is T, no? So I'll start from T. T, Q, Q plus J, K. Okay. So I'll write this here. So this is J, K. Clock already I have given. Q, Q plus. Sorry, Q bar, no? Q bar. We call this as Q plus also. So now how do you start the excitation table? Start from here. T, Q plus J, K. Okay. So now the inputs are what? To the excitation table, inputs are TQ. So write TQ. How many we have? 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now look at the function table of T flip-flop. If T is 0, what is Q plus? Q. Q means what? Same as previous state. If T is 1, what is next state? Complement of previous state. If T is 0, what is Q plus? Same as previous state. What is previous state? 0. If T is 0, what is next state? Same as previous state. So it is 1. If T is 1, what is next state? If T is 1, what is next state? Complement of previous state. What is previous state? 0. So next state is what? 1. If T is 1, next state is the complement of previous state. So previous state is 1. So this will be 0. Right? Now look at the excitation table. Fill JK. 0, 0. Q plus. 0, 0. What is JK? 0x. 1, 1. X 0. 0, 1. 1x. 1, 0. X 1. Now derive an equation for JK in terms of T and Q. So TQ. So So T, Q, Q plus, no? So 3 variable K man. Derive an equation for J and K in terms of T. Okay. So TQ. So 2 variable K now. So TQ 0 1 0 1. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 sorry 1 0 it is 2 1 1 it is 3. So we are deriving an equation for what? JA. So 0x 0 0 it is 0 0 0 it is 0 0 1 x 0 1 x 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 x. How do you group it? 2 and 3 we can combine. So what is the equation we get? T, correct? JA is equal to T. I got the equation as JA, T. JA is equal to T. Similarly, derive an equation for, so if you cannot see, this is JA. JA is equal to T. As we have combined 2 and 3. We have combined 2 and 3. So Q will get cancelled and this will be T. This will be T. Similarly, now we will derive an equation for K. Again 2 variable K. You can write the equations directly from this. 0 1 0 1. So 0 0 x 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 sorry 1 0 x no x 1 1 1. Again group. So this is T, no? This is TQ. Again group it. I think I have done some mistake. 0 0 0. Sorry 0 0 x 0 1 0 1 0 x 1 1. Am I correct? 1 1 1. Correct? So now when we group it, okay, when we group it, so what is the equation we get? We get it as what? Again T. So what is Ka? Ka is again equal to T. So now once you derive the equation for JA, Ka, do the connections there. We have JK flip-flop. No. So what is JA? JA is T. You call this as T. What is Ka? Ka is also T. Ka is also T. So now when you short JK, this will act as T flip-flop. Now this JK flip-flop I am using JK flip-flop as T flip-flop. For that what I have to do, I have to short both JK connected to T because J is also T, K is also T. J is T, K is also T. So this is how we convert one flip-flop into another. Now we shall see one more example. Okay. So shall we convert JK into D? Shall we convert JK flip-flop to D flip-flop? Okay. So D flip-flop. What is the step? Here I have to start from D. So this will be what? D flip-flop. So this is D. I have to keep what? JK flip-flop, excitation table, function table of D flip-flop. So you keep the function table of D flip-flop. If D is 0, next state is 0. If D is 1, next state is 1. So now, so again D 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is Q plus? Okay. So if present state, look at the function table of D flip-flop and fill. If D is 0, what is next state? 0. If D is 0, next state is 0. 0. If D is 1, next state is 1. Now use excitation table of JK flip-flop and fill. 0 0 0x 1 0 x1 0 1 1x 1 1 x 0. Now derive an equation for J, K now in terms of D and Q. Okay. So again use K map. Okay. So 0 0 0 0 1 x 1 0 1 1 1 what? X. So group it. If you group it again we get J is equal to, this will be what? D. J is equal to D we got. Similarly derive an equation for K in terms of D. So equation for K, you can call that as K also. So DQ 0 1 0 1. So 0 0 x 0 1 1 1 0 x 1 1 0. So if you group these two, what is the equation we get? D bar. So what is Ka? D bar. How do you connect it? Ja is what? D. So Ja, if I call this as Jka, Ja is equal to D. What is Ka? D bar. So take D bar and connect it to K. So this is how we convert Jk flip-flop to D. Same thing you can do it for other flip-flops also. So when conversion is asked, when you are converting F1 one flip-flop to another, this F2 function table should be ready, F1 excitation should be ready, table should be ready, and you always have to start from here, D, Q, Q plus Jk. And you are going to derive an equation for these two in terms of these two inputs. If you are converting Jk to SR, Q, Q plus Jk. SRQ, 3 variables, so write all the 8 combinations. So this is how we convert one flip-flop into another. Okay. So I think this completes module 4. Next class I will be starting with module 5. Okay. Thank you.